Hey guys, welcome back to Beauty by January. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I take down this braided hairstyle. I've had it in for 3 weeks. I was going to leave it in for a month, but I kind of just want to wash my hair and do something different. So if you want to see how I take down my box braids, then keep on watching there. But I'm going to start off in no particular order. So I'm just going to start making sure all of my rubber bands are gone. So I'm going to start with that first. Last one. I'm done with that. Glad that part is over. Okay, now for the easy part. Taking down the braids. I kind of just pull a little bit and use my fingers to pull it apart. Okay, voila, the first one down. Or you can even use like a rat tail comb like this to take it down too. And that actually can be sometimes faster than taking it down with your fingers. Just basically poke a hole through and kind of drag it down. So when I take down braids, I do a combination of the two. So I am done taking down the front of my hair. I'm going to finish taking down the rest of my hair and then I will be right back. I'm back and I've got all of my braids taken out of my hair. And this is what my natural hair is looking like up underneath the braids. I've got a little bit of buildup at my roots. Okay guys, so what I'm gonna do is detangle my hair first, and then I'm gonna apply my pre-shampoo treatment after I'm done detangling my hair. So to detangle my hair, I feel like it'll be a lot easier to section it off, so I'm gonna put it in 4 sections just to make it easier. Just to make it easier for me to detangle and get rid of the buildup. And with detangling, it's always best to start from the ends of the hair and go upward. So I'm done detangling this section of my hair. And I'm just twisting it up and out of the way. And this is what came out of that section. And shedding is normal. Whenever you wear protective styles, it's normal to have shedding. This is hair that would have come out over the span of the 3 weeks that I wore the braids. So this is all normal. So don't be alarmed. So I'm going to detangle this section here. I'm finished detangling all of my hair. Now I'm going to follow up with my pre-poo, my pre-shampoo hair treatment, avocado butter by Burt's Bees. I got this from Target on clearance. It says I paid $4.48, regular $8.99. So it says on the bottle that I need to wet my hair before I apply this. So I'm just wetting my hair before I apply the pre-poo treatment. I'm going to follow up with my shampoo, and I'm also going to do a deep conditioner. The shampoo that I'm going to use is this one right here, and it is called Eden Body Works Jojoba All Natural Sulfate and Paraben Free Shampoo. So I'm going to use this to shampoo my hair. I'm going to shampoo my hair twice just to make sure I'm getting rid of all the buildup. And then I'm going to follow up, this is actually a sample size, with the Aveda Be Curly Intensive Detangling Mask. And that is it for today, guys. I just wanted to come in and show you guys how I take my braids down, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure that you like, subscribe, and be a part of the notification gang by hitting the bell button. You guys have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye.